Hello, and welcome to our tutorials for GA4 platform. Today, we are going to talk about events and conversions. Events and conversions play a vital role in understanding the interactions of a user on the website. I'll share my screen with you, and we're going to talk about what the default in events look like and what the custom events look like. I'll share my screen with you now. Okay, so here you can see I'm in the GA4 account for our Web Wonks website, and I'm under Lifecycle, Engagement, and Events. In these events, you will see there are multiple events that are being currently implemented on the website. So if you think about events, if I start with them, conversion, as we all know, conversion is the end goal, what we want a user to do. So these could be a form submit on the website, a phone number link click, or an email link click. And if you are an e-commerce platform, you could be looking at a revenue number or the transactions. So these are the conversions for you. But events, if I take an analogy from a basketball team, when a basket happens, that's when a conversion takes place. But all the passes between the players to achieve that basket is the event data. So these events are really important for you to understand how did the basket happen, how did the conversion happen, and where the drop-offs are, what you want to achieve. So these events can be custom. So you can decide on which elements on the website are really important for you. And you can decide on how you would like to be the reporting to be implemented on that. So there are certain type of events, the first one being default. So GA4 tracks all users on the website based on the events interaction as well. So when I talk about the default events, what I say is page view is the default event, scroll, session start, user engagement, first visit, even form start and form submit are default events as well. The issue that we notice with the form start and form submit are that sometimes GA4 default setup can get confused between how certain websites work. And certain websites sometimes have numerous number of form start and form submit events as well. So you may come across there is a increased number of form submits, which actually does not represent a true value for your form submits on the website. Those are not the actual conversions. So please check them that they are the correct ones. On the other hand, there are custom events, which we also turn back into conversion as well. So as a Web Wonks practice for lead generation websites, what we call a conversion is you will need to be tracking your phone number link clicks, your email link clicks, and your contact forms. It could be a request a quote form, it could be a book and consultation form. So any type of form submission happening on the website should be counted as a conversion as well. So similarly, we have set up some of the conversions here. So we have a form submit conversion. We have a phone link click, which is for New Zealand website, for a Manila website, for a Texas website, for the US website. So all these are set up as conversions, and they are also as part of your events as well. And some of the other events that we have customized in there is social media link. How many people are clicking on your Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn buttons on your website? PDF links, if you have PDF downloads that people can use. So how you can do that. So all of these get together to show us the events report for you. And typically how we do the setup is we create an event first, and then we mark it as a conversion based on your requirements, whether you want it as a conversion or not. How do you change an event to a conversion? So if you go to your admin settings, you should be able to see the events report under property. So if I show you here, events, so you will see all the events that are being tracked in as part of your website, and you can mark them as conversion here. So this is how you change them to conversions. And as soon as you have done that, you should be able to see them under conversions data here. So here we can see all those conversions being tracked as part of the reporting as well. I hope you find this video useful, and please let us know if you have any questions around what type of events, what type of conversions that we should be tracking, we could be tracking for you as well, and what are the best practices. Cheers, thank you, bye.